Good morning. Okay, hello guys. Hi brother. Brother, andito tayo ngayon sa Rivers of Sagada. So kung titingnan natin, ang dami nilang ginagawa na as this. Ang output nito is what? Can be a bag, can be a kumot or blanket or kung ano pa ang gusto niyong gawin sa finished product nila. So, we're having a good time here. And this is their, ano nga tawag nila? Slow bar. Ang kape, gagawin hindi mabilisan. Bakit hindi magiging mabilisan kape? Kasi kung gagawin talaga yung coffee, medyo it will take time. So this one, yung process can be fast, no? Dahil mamadali lahat. Okay, so we'll try your coffee later. And they also have different flavor of yogurt. So this is also highly recommended in Sagada, right? Yeah. Why highly recommended in Sagada?
Depends on your taste.
Well, depends on your taste. Why? Why do you say depends on your taste?
If you want sour or go to yogurt house. That's the original yogurt.
Okay, this one.
Yogurt's not that sweet, not that sour.
Okay. Okay. So kung may mga diabetes, this is better. Yeah, okay. So, highly recommended also. Ang dami naman highly recommended dito sa Sagada. And then they also have their oranges here. Come, brother, show them their oranges.
Sa'yo ba't?
This is only 100 pesos per kilo. Natikman namin matamis, ha? Matamis siya. Okay, 100 pesos. Original from Sagada, thank you. And we're still going to several places here. And thank you so much. Uy, magbabay ka naman siya. Yan. Artistahin yan, di ba? O, di ba? Thank you.